I think I like long conversations, amusing observations. It's a single best combination for me. Let's talk about the deep end and this ocean. Hey, what's your favorite crustacean? We can go on and on until we fall asleep. 'Cause this is how things start. A thunderbolt through the heart. When we do what we do, I wanna whisper to you and the whole world shouts. Find out things that you're about. It won't be hard. It won't be hard. If you would like to start, I tell you I like going on exploration, recounting scenes and animation. How we wish our aspirations would go away. Let's talk about all our strange fascinations, our what we hate, our admiration for aliens and languages and things. Oh, but this is how things start. A thunderbolt through the heart. When we do what we do, I wanna whisper to you and the whole world shouts. Find out things that you're about. It won't be hard. It won't be hard. If you would like to start. Now I would like to go where our feet can go. Only would know the way. When we start our plans, let me take your hands and we'll make something that rhymes with adventure. Are you down to start one big adventure with me? With me. One, two, three. I tell you I like breaking your concentration just to say out loud my speculation about the worlds that's been beyond our atmosphere. You get my less than normal disposition, and this puts me in an obligation to like you just for being here, just for being here. Oh no, but this is how things start. A thunderbolt through the heart. When we do what we do, I wanna whisper to you and the whole world shouts. Find out things that you're about. It won't be